Nas like, me and my cousin Nisi, this song called Warning by Biggie Smalls. Oh yeah. It's like, nah. Alright. Who the hell is this? Texting me at 6:47 in the evening while I'm leaving. Saying she got the burner in the rod. My black ass better look both ways before coming outside. My niggas ready. We all strapped. Somebody act up and it's a rap. I come outside, you can hear a penny fall off the roof. This bitch texting me knowing she ain't got no proof. So we driving, shit is all good. Our people car following us with a rusty hood. I'm saying aware, cause when shit arises, I don't want no surprises. Pause. I get a call from restricted. Now you know my nerves is limited. I answer. It's my bitch Ajane out from Tampa Bay. She said she just called to say hey and that she hope I'm not in bed. She just got word that some motherfuckers want my head. Praying for the best, prepare for the worst, cause it won't be me riding in the fucking hearse. So I pull up to the chicken shack. I get out and the nigga tap me on my fucking back. I turned around, he threw me on the ground. I heard shots fire, my heart rate getting higher. Blood out in the street, Man, these niggas got us beat. Maybe I should just retreat. Fuck that. My name Nas. I gotta get hectic to fucking survive. I pull out my Glock. I'm holding it like a cock. Like I'm about to come. My bullets go rumpa pum pum. I run back to the car. My niggas dead. Lamar and Jamal. My twin baby brothers. Fuck these motherfuckers. I cry while I fled the scene. I hear sirens coming my way at a fast speed. I got caught anyway. When I get bail and get out of jail, I'ma have them niggas sleeping with some killer whales. And that's part one, motherfucker. Part two, I'ma get out of jail, kill the motherfuckers. Just stay tuned.
That's part one. We're gonna do part two. Like, we out here, cheer.
And part two gonna have a beat. This one ain't had no fucking beat. Cause I'm rich like that bitch. So now
We out here and we done.
Oh yeah, by the way, peep the motherfucking time. Did you see that? Rest in peace to my motherfucking brother. He just died May 16th. Rest in peace, son. I love you. And rest in peace to my other brother. He died when I was only like 8 years old, 2004. I miss you motherfuckers. Alright? We holding it down here. Brick City, we out here. Brick squad.